Hi there, my name's Sadia and welcome to Recipes for Littlies. Today I'll be showing you how to make 3 simple chia puddings. Peanut butter, blueberry and almond, and finally strawberry and coconut. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favourite flavour. So let me show you how to make it. Peanut butter chia pudding. These are the ingredients that you'll need and I'll have these listed in the description box below. Pour in the chia seeds and your milk of choice, add in your sweetener and finally some natural peanut butter. And then you just need to give it a really good stir. I like using a chopstick to do this, and keep watching to my top tips to see how I avoid getting any clumps. Blueberry and almond chia pudding. Here are the ingredients that you'll need and these are listed in the description box below. Add in your chia seeds, milk of choice, and your blueberries. My blueberries are really sweet, so I haven't added in the maple syrup. Give that all a really good stir. Strawberry and coconut chia pudding. These are the ingredients that you'll need and as always listed in the description box below. Pour in the chia seeds and your milk. Try to use coconut milk as it intensifies the flavour. Next, add in your sweetener, some coconut and those chopped up strawberries. And then just give it all a really good mix. In the time it's taken to prepare the other 2 chia puddings, you can already see this is starting to gel up, so it really doesn't take very long to set. Just to garnish, I'm just going to dollop a little bit of extra peanut butter and I'm just going to drizzle a tiny bit of maple syrup. So that's our first one done. The reason why I love using old peanut butter jars is you just pop the lid on and then that's ready to go. Now to our almond blueberry chia pudding. I love seeing all those chopped up blueberries in there. It's already turning into a bit of a bluer hue. To garnish this, all I'm going to do is pop a few extra blueberries on the top and some chopped up almonds. There you go, and just pop on the lid. So now for the strawberry coconut chia pudding. This one is still quite runny and that's because it was the last one I prepared. To garnish for this, I'm just going to add some more chopped up strawberries and a bit of coconut. And here are the chia puddings with the garnish. So these are ready to go in the fridge for a couple of hours or up to 5 days. Now it's time for my top tips. Number 1, use a clear container or jar. It makes it easier to see any clumps. Number 2, after the initial mix, you'll need to mix 2 more times. The first time will be once the chia seeds settle at the bottom of the milk, and the next time will be after a few minutes. This will reduce any dry clumps. Number 3, texture and flavour is personal, so have fun with this recipe. You can add a little extra milk if you want it runnier, and play around with the garnishes. Thanks so much for watching and I really hope you give this recipe a go. If you'd like to see more healthy snacks, let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment below. Until next time, keep cooking!